Before roads, before cities, before memory, there were forests. They stood across Rwanda, ancient breathing alive. Today, only fragments remain. In Ibanda Makera, Nyagasenyi, and Sanza remnant forests, small remnant forests of green still hold stories right and wrong before us. Stories of wings beating at dawn, of insects beneath fallen leaves, of amphibians singing after rain, and of species that survive quietly, unseen but not gone. Now, a new generation listens. Young Rwandan scientists step into those forests not to take but to understand. Every footprint measured, every core recorded, every leaf examined. They search the canopy, the undergrowth, the soil, the water, and even the silence. Because to protect a forest, you must first know its name and names of all living organisms within it. This is more than research. It is a memory being rebuilt, knowledge being restored, a promise renewed. The forest may be remnants, but their story is not finished, and neither is ours. And now, scientist has a story to tell.
My name is Mapendo Minja, and I'm associated to the CoEB as a research associate. And I'm involved in herpetofauna diversity assessment from ecosystems in Rwanda. So being part of this survey from Ibanda Makera, Sanza, Nyagasenyi, and other remnant forests is very important. When we assess amphibians and reptiles from this ecosystem, we generate information that is very important to contribute scientific-based decision-making, but also to understand how these different forests can be protected, but in the meantime, conserving biodiversity. Thank you.
Hello, I am Eastern&Western, and I'm the curator of the National Herbarium of Rwanda. So currently we are at Sanza Forest in Ngororero district, where we are doing biodiversity survey, and I'm working as plant taxonomist. And we've completed other two forests in Kidehe district, Ibanda Makera and Nyagasenyi forest. So for us, for the plant taxa, we used brown blanket to estimate the abundance of the plant species which are in these forests that I mentioned above. And the purpose of this survey is to compare the species richness, diversity, so we can compare along the longitudinal gradient, and hopefully we will get a nice paper, and we will publish, of course, a nice article to the community. Thank you.
My name is Rwanda.The. I'm a research fellow to the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resources Management. I work on soil litter arthropod. Here we are sampling soil litter arthropod to get the insight of the health status of this remnant forest. Why this soil litter arthropod? Soil litter arthropod include ants, bugs, mites, and those could help soil aeration. So by conducting this research, we may get insight of the health status of this remnant forest.
This is Rwanda Maseni. We are working on remnant forest in eastern part of Rwanda, Nyagasenyi, Ibanda Makera, and Ngororero. Our study focuses on bed, taxa, abundance, habitat use. The impact is based in data collection. Will improve planning, management planning.
Thank you very much. My name is Womana Constantine. Currently we are doing biodiversity survey. Especially I'm working on the taxa of the butterflies. Here we are at the Ibanda Makera forest, located in Kidehe district in Muhanga sector. So we are one of the methodology we are using a modified pollard by walking on the transit, capturing the butterflies, and we have also baited staffs we are using to capture some butterflies which eat on the fruits. So the outcome of this biodiversity survey will inform us the status of this remnant forest, so that we can inform the policy makers in decision making regarding their continued conservation. Thank you very much.
Majambere, Research Associate to the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity Natural Resource Management. We are working here on mammals. So we want to survey the mammals. These mammals include primates and small mammals, some small carnivores. Here we are using shaman traps for trapping small mammals alive, and we are also using the direct observations. We can see some primates here. For example, you have a blue monkey. We wanted to demonstrate that this forest is very important for the conservation of mammals in Rwanda. Thank you.
My name is Edmond. I am a freshwater ecologist at the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resource Management. Right now we are making a biodiversity assessment. Particularly I'm working on freshwater macroinvertebrates in eastern remnant forests. And we are going to cover the Ibanda Makera remnant forest, Nyagasenyi remnant forest, and the Sanza remnant forest in Ngororero. So normally when we are sampling freshwater macroinvertebrates, we use kicknet sampling methods, and we preserve the macroinvertebrates collected into 18% ethanol, and we transferred them to the Center of Excellence in Biodiversity and Natural Resource Management Laboratory. We identify them to the farm level, and later we write on them either for reporting or publication. That is the output we need after this survey, because we will report, of course, but also we will try to make at least one paper that will combine all the macroinvertebrates that can be found in the remnant forests, particularly in this eastern region of Rwanda. Thanks.